Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to grow YouTube channel without showing face. So let's start the video. This is very informative video if you want to go viral on YouTube and you don't know how to do, what content you should use. So you have to go to your chat GPT and ask him to suggest you some accounts to suggest you or some content that do not require face showing, so by which you can get inspiration from there and easily make content without showing your face and get famous in a few days. So let's start the video. Here I'm asking ChatGPT, can you suggest how to grow YouTube channel without showing face? It will send me a list of contents that you can use on your YouTube channel, that you can create videos on that content and get famous in your YouTube channels and do not require to showing any face. So hope so friend you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the more updates. Faceless video ideas, animation videos, screen recordings, tutorials, top 10 commentary videos, gaming videos, whiteboard videos, podcast, AI generated. So these are all the contents that do not require any showing your face. So hope so friend you watch this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, stay tuned for the more updates. There are second step, growth static. You have to grow static, maintain your growth static. Like this thing animation channel, you can see how animated channel videos are made. If you don't know how to create this video, you can also search on YouTube how to create animated videos. These are channels you get inspiration from and create videos and use their tags and description and titles, and you can easily get famous. So these are gaming channels, you can get inspiration from this. So hope so friend you like this video. So these are all the channels you get information and you can get inspiration and use their techniques to get viral on your YouTube channels without showing your face. So these are very basic content you can easily create. If you don't know how to create them, you can ask YouTube to tell you how to create.